Alright everyone, so today we're going to find influencers for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. So whatever niche, whatever platform you want to find your influencers in, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get straight to it. Right, so the tool that we're going to use is called Hyper, and to actually sign up to this tool, you're going to need a business email. Alright, so I know some of you don't have business emails, so what I'm going to do is for the first 5 people to comment, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, I'm going to pick 5 people from the comment section and I'll give you a business email to use so that you can use Hyper, because you're going to have to buy it, through GoDaddy or whatever. So let me show you how to sign up for this tool. It's called the hyperbrands.com. So you're going to need a business email. So like I said, I'll pick 5 people and give it to you for free, because why not? Because I'll have a whole bunch of domains that I don't even use, so I'll just create an email for you and I'll forward it to your email. It's pretty cool. But anyway, so you want to go to hyperbrands.com, and what you're gonna see, it's gonna say business. It's just signing up for it like anything. You're gonna need a business one, okay, and then you just fill in everything else. And once you've done that, you'll be inside. So once you're inside here, you can find basic influencers anywhere. So you want to come to this search bar, and what you can do is let me show you how it works. So let's say we want to find an influencer in the dog niche. Okay, so in the dog niche that has between 100,000 and 1 million followers. Alright, so we want to find exactly, let me show you how to do it. Also for Instagram, let's do it for Instagram. So I'm gonna type in, I don't know why I got my earphones in, but I'm gonna type in dogs like that. Okay, and I'm gonna exit out here. Actually, let me just first choose the platform. So I chose Instagram. 100,000 to 1 million in dogs. So just like that. So you can see I chose the Instagram option. It's very simple. Now, so now you can see we're gonna get dog related pages. So what this tool is gonna do, is gonna find influencers that have dogs kind of written either in the title or the Facebook, the Instagram page name, or in related pages. So now we're going to scroll down a little bit. So I'm going to exit out of this, and you page here about dogs. And then we got these people who obviously they say they like dogs, but let's say you want to find a dog page. So a page that's just about dogs. So what you can see, this one's a bit more relevant. One site for dog ratings. Okay, and then we got this one's about a particular dog, a famous TV dog. So you can see if you scroll down for all of these, you can keep finding more and more. And once it starts loading these out, you're going to see them. So you can see you've got baby animals. So you can get people, and you can get relevant, just dog-based pages. This is super cool. So you're going to want to sign up and find this straight away. So let's say you want to find some, let's say you want to look in the cat niche. So I'm just going to search here. So let's say also, you can also filter out by like gender, age, ethnicity, location, stuff. Also by gender and age group. Alright, so actually this is for audiences, and you can refine it for the influencer. So it goes very, very, very deep in, because when you normally go on Instagram, you're not really going to find these pages just like that. So that's why using this database is going to be super helpful for you. And obviously I'm gonna plug myself. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, by the way. Because I'm gonna start doing giveaways on there. I'm gonna start doing giveaways on there very soon. So just follow me on Instagram. Anyway, let's keep going. So once you're using this toolbar, okay, so once you can start refining them with ethnicity and whatever niche you want to be in. But I find the easiest way is to just type in what you want. So let's say we want to do it in Ferrari. Let's say we have like a Ferrari t-shirt or a related Ferrari t-shirt. We can type that in, but obviously it's gonna find people that have obviously Ferrari in the name, so it's not finding as but that's fine, because you actually want to start refining by the audience to find the ones that you want. And let's say we don't want to do Ferrari, we want to do car niche. You can just type in cars just like that. So it's obviously it's gonna try and find the ones that are relevant. And the people that actually, provide shout outs and, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, so once you find one of these, you can actually click through. So let's say you want to click through on, on this one right here, and So now we're inside here. What am I gonna? We can see she has 600,000 followers, 160,000 likes, 2,900 comments, ethnicity and gender of her audience, what kind of engagement she's getting. You can also use Social Blade to basically determine their engagement. And you can see all this information, right? So you can see all this information about the audience, the household income, the education levels, the ages. So that's why this is a super cool tool, because you can get all this information from their audiences, and you can basically target just based on that. So imagine you found an audience that has, the 200 to 500,000 or above 200,000. If you send them the right product, if you send the right product to the right audience, you're gonna make a lot of money. I mean, that's just how it works. So this might be a good way. So you probably find that meme pages probably have a whole bunch of people that are like under 25,000. In fact, let's try and take a look right now. Let's find a meme page. So let me think of a meme page right now. Let me see. So I'm just gonna type in meme, and let's hope that one comes up. So here we got one, 500,000 likes. Let's see what kind of household income they got going there, because we want to see what kind of money they make. 27% is between 25,000 and 50,000. So you can see this is super low. We saw on the last page from that the female influencer, she had 5% above $200,000. So that's why probably what most people say. Obviously, you don't want to target meme pages, because obviously it's mostly kids following, so they're not going to make that much money. Or just generally, you just want to come into here, all right, and just find this section, audience insights. So this is like an audience insights page for Instagram influencers. This is insane. This is like next level stuff. If you can start nailing this down, you can really take your Instagram, influencer shout outs to the next level, just by using this tool. But like I said, you're gonna need a business email. So I'm gonna choose 5 people in the comments. So 5 people in the comment section. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a free business email, because I know some of you might not have it. So if you don't, just leave a comment, leave a comment anyway. But I'll just choose 5 of you just to give it out, because why not? And because you're gonna have to, if you don't, so you're gonna have to sign up to GoDaddy. If you're gonna want one anyway, just sign up to GoDaddy or Google Suite, and you can get a business email like that. Otherwise, just leave a comment. Anyway, I think that's all I got for today. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Snapchat, all that stuff. So we got the links in the description. Also released this Facebook ads training PDF description. It should say like Facebook ads training, so you can just follow that. You just got to put your email in, and you can download the PDF. And then there's like an extra training video straight after it. Alright, so there's a training video straight after the PDF. You're gonna want to watch that. It's very important. It's about like my Facebook ad campaigns. So now you're gonna want to sign up in here. There's so much stuff you can do. So like I said, so you're gonna want to get your business email as well. And that's all I got for today. So leave a comment if you need a business email. And that's all. By the way, I released a course yesterday as well, which is the black box formula. So people that want to join that, you can join in the first link or the second link in the description. So there's limited spots for that. Basically, I'm actually going to throw in coaching for the first like 15-20 people. Just because I want you to succeed if you do get in my course, obviously. So I'm just going to do it for the first few people that get in, give them coaching so that you can boost. So I can build out a strategy for their online business, for Facebook ads. So it is a Facebook ads course, and I'm super excited anyway. So leave a comment, like, comment, and subscribe, and so sign up to the store, start using it. You can find YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook influencers. Alright, so make sure you watch the video tomorrow. I'm gonna go into how to find trending products on Instagram that these influencers use. So because obviously these influencers, they're doing shoutouts. You're going to want to see what products they're promoting. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to find those particular products. So anyway, that's all I got for today. So peace out.